What I want you guys to do first is on a piece of paper, graph a couple of these functions real quick and graph them using t-table method. Do you guys remember what the t-table is?
Yes.
Yes? Do you remember?
With the x and the y.
Yeah, so t-tables
yeah, okay, got
look
it.
like this.
Oh,
Your
okay.
x is your input, your y is your output. So we'll graph a couple of these. I'll put them up on the board, and then I might even have one or two of you come up and do it on the board.
Oh, it's going.
And you might have to solve some of them slightly before you can actually graph them. Okay, so we'll just do 3. And if you have a question or anything, we can talk about it.
So we're just graphing them?
Just graphing them.
Are we doing t-tables for each function?
Yeah. And actually, you guys don't have to do that. But if we were to do that, just because you guys don't have to go through this because you're college students. But if we were to do that, we would draw the points first, right? We would let's just do the x squared one. So what are some good points you guys would want to choose?
1, 1.
1.
And 1.
Okay, so you plug in 1 and then you get 1 as your output.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay,
And 2 and 4.
2 and 4.
Okay.
Okay.
And then 3 and 9.
3 and 9. Okay, so how about then also, we've got our positive side. How about on the negative side? If we do it like a -1, what's our output?
1,
1.
Okay, the -2,
4.
4. Okay, so when we put those up on a coordinate plane, we graph them just as like x comma y points, right? Ordered pairs is what they're called. So 1 comma 1. So we have our points, like there's 1 and 1, and then I'll just graph 2, and let's say like 4 is right about there. So we graph these points, but is that the full graph, or what do we do with it?
You need a line.
You need a line. Okay, good. Now, what I want to talk about is why do we need that line? What does that line represent? Because it's the graph of or it's the line of our function, but what does it mean? What does that line mean? What does it represent?
It's a bunch of points, right?
A bunch of points. Okay, yeah. Say more about that.
So the line represents if you plug in the 2 coordinates where the line is, that's going to fit your equation.
Yeah. So you could pick a point right here on the line, and that would be some point like x, y, some ordered pair. And if you put that, whatever this represents, into our equation, it would equal, right? It would be equal. Yeah, so that's what every point on that line is a solution to our original function. So what I want you guys to do now is go ahead and graph like this one. Go to desmos.com.
I thought that was a term for a second. I was like, what that is.
No. No, don't worry about it. Desmos.com.
Do I just press start graphing?
Yes. And then over in the left-hand side, I think you have to put a y equals kind of thing. Prove that you guys are actually here doing math. Turn the
But if
camera.
we just like word.
just voicing over my.
Wait, so what equation are we putting in there?
This one, you can solve it first or just plug it in as is, and the computer will tell you. Nice. Okay, cool. So now
I did it first. I want everybody to know that.
you are a winner.
Got you.
Golden winner. So now if you click at any point on there, like if you click and hold it, it'll give you 2 values. It'll give you an ordered pair. Every ordered pair that is on that line is a solution to this function. So that's going to be very important as we're going on and looking at also inequalities next, not just equations. Okay.